Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, so welcome back to today's Bitcoin update. And first of all, happy Independence Day to all the people from Pakistan. And right, so Bitcoin is looking quite like it wants to actually pump today on a Sunday, which is unusual and very, very weird times to see Bitcoin pumping. Really weird day. SHIB has pumped today. We've seen SHIB go into the technical target that it was meant to go, an inverse head and shoulder right there. Now, the thing about Bitcoin is that, uh, yesterday or Saturday, kind of moving sideways at the moment. Now, I do see some changes about Bitcoin right now, and it's really important to bring those changes into the light from the shadows. So it's really important to talk about this. So back in the days when the market was actually ranging to the downside, we've seen Bitcoin moving, dumping during the weekends, right? Now, for the past 3 weeks, I've actually noticed that Bitcoin on a weekend doesn't really do anything, and Bitcoin during the middays, like Mondays and Tuesdays, it actually retraces, and Saturday, Sunday are more like sideways and a little bit up. Now, why is it like that? To be honest, right? So the question should be, why does Bitcoin do something like this when the uptrend actually starts to come in? Okay, and I'm not saying it's not going to dump. It can possibly dump because by the end of the day, the technical reason for this one is that you do have a pin bar. So that pin bar can actually still take Bitcoin in the next 17 hours down to the 10 EMA, which is 23,925. And I do have a little bit of expectation that Bitcoin does come down to 23,800. But who knows? You can actually just, try to move up because that's a technical target up to 25,386. It's just that I'm not expecting it today, but it can still go today to 25,386. That's a technical target, and I do see Bitcoin going up to that price level and probably even moving higher to 26 and 29s and whatever the prices are going to be at that time, right? So when the downtrend happens, all of this is because of the weekly. So today's Sunday. Let's shift into the weekly time frame, and tomorrow you're going to start a new week. Now you can see that this closing here is very, very bullish. If in the next 17 hours you close in a green candle like this, that's really, really important. Okay, you might end up even closing up to 25,386 today, and that's why Bitcoin might not be dumping on a weekend when the uptrend actually starts, because the closing that he wants to do is green candles, and that's why Saturday, Sunday don't dump, because they have to do some bullish closing. And Saturday, Sunday dumps during the downtrend because they want to close in a red. Do you get the point here? So let's say you're up here on a bearish candle, you're near the Thursdays and Friday, you want to dump Bitcoin down on Saturday, Sunday so that it can get Mondays to close the previous candle in a red fashion. But when you actually start a new rise on the weekly time frame, you might actually start to pump during the weekend so that you can make a green closing. That's what makes sense, if it does make sense anyway. And then you actually drop on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the midday, and then after that you start to move higher during the weekends or near the weekends. So this is something that I'm just trying to figure out. I don't know if it does make sense to me, because that's the only logical explanation you can ever even give someone to, right? So at the moment, guys, this is pretty much the update for Bitcoin right now. I do think Bitcoin is doing amazing. It's looking pretty good. There are chances, I'm really looking at chances that maybe today Bitcoin can actually go up to that technical target of 25,386. If it doesn't even go up there, it's still pending. You don't want to lose Bitcoin down at $22,000. You don't want to ever see Bitcoin at the moment coming down to this level, $22,300. If you see Bitcoin starting to come down near this level and closing below that level, then Bitcoin is in a serious trouble. I can forgive Bitcoin if Bitcoin tries to come down again to 23,800, which is kind of my pick at the moment, that probably today, if the pump doesn't really happen, which likely seems possible that it's going to happen though, is that you do come down and maybe consolidate and try to touch the 10 EMAs and the 20, bounce off the 10 and the 20 and start to move higher. So it is what it is. I still cannot trust a weekend at the moment, because I don't know. I'm just finger crossed anything goes at this point of time, because if the pump does happen, there are some coin I'm looking to trading, and if the pump does happen, I'm just gonna wait for that small retracement probably. But you never know about Bitcoin, man. It just can shoot. If it shoots, it shoots. If it gets bullish, it gets bullish, and not looking back at all. So that's pretty much it for this quick update. It's just a quick comment on it, and I'm gonna see you the next one. I love this. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, altcoins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.